it's Sparks0000H here. And today, this girl wanted me to start my recorder because we're going to be doing some gifting wars. Now, it might be a bit boring, but who cares? So we're going to start off by sending her the first gift, which is going to be this army helmet because I don't have anything good at the moment. So yeah, I'm going to say I started it because I did. I started XD. Yeah, I'll get back to you when she gives me that. And a huge shout out to mlgmaster3000 for gifting me a spike. That, I'm not even kidding. Where is it? Here. Oh, a spike. She gave me 2 spikes actually. I can't find the other one, but it was so kind of her. So please go gift her so nice things. Thank you. Okay, so we have a phantom amulet. Oh, I like the phantom amulets. I like phantom items in general, some reason. I don't know. I'll do the Spartan helmet. I don't have any spikes at the moment, so that's cool. These are all the other gifts she gave me. She gave me, oh, there it is, a spike wristband, a rare knight helmet, a rare cupcake hat, a train set, and a rare spike wrist. And I'm so thankful for her. So please go and gift her really nice things. Thank you. Another gift from mlgmaster3000. Bow and arrows. I've been needing some bow and arrows, so thank you so much. If you ever want to start a gifting with me, I'm happy to gift you guys. So I'm gonna give her a spike wristband back because I can't thank her enough, and she deserves to get one thing. I know I've plugged this so many times already, but if you want to be entered in my red short wrist giveaway, I changed it now because I got one. Then all you gotta do is gift me for my mail time before Friday, and you'll all be put on a wheel, and then yeah, that's basically what's going to happen. I'll record it and your gifts will get recorded. Just to let you know, if you do gift a spike, you'll be put on a special wheel and you'll have more chance of winning. Now that's, it can be anything. I don't care what gift you give me. It can be anything at all. But I'm just saying, if you because my friends usually give me a spike. Well, obviously I don't have friends, but sometimes people give me spikes. So just to let you know, if you want to gift a spike, that's absolutely fine. But you'll be put on a special wheel where you'll be have more chance of winning the giveaway. So thank you. Next thing in the gift for is a rare heart locket. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And I'll send you I basically have nothing. So this rare snowman mask. Thank you. Hi everyone, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all in the next video. Oh, my voice cracked. Goodbye.